It's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Apple unboxing. I am very excited to do another Apple unboxing on this channel because these are my favorite videos to do on here and you guys seem to really love them. So recently my parents kicked me off their phone plan. So I decided to go ahead and get the new iPhone 11 because I owe more on my XS than what the 11 is worth. So I'd be paying cheaper just getting the brand new phone. So that's why I'm doing it. And the purple iPhone is stunning. So I got it. So currently I have the XS, what it looks like. I've had no problem with it. I love it. They had to order it because obviously it's sold out everywhere. Luckily the one that I wanted, I only had to wait a couple days for. There's people at my Verizon store that are waiting like months to get their like iPhone Pro Max and all that. So also if you hear bells or hissing or this, my cats are playing in the background and they're extremely loud, so I apologize if you can hear it, but you can also watch them in the background play while I do this video. But I went and my phone was delivered to me, so I'm gonna unbox it. And then I also ordered some phone cases and phone grips and things like that. And I haven't gotten them in the mail yet, but I had like this huge package in my PO box. And I don't think this has phone stuff in it, but I'm gonna open it real fast just to make sure. Like literally guys, this box is huge and I don't remember ordering anything like big. Is this a present from somebody? Oh my God, wait. This is supposed to be an Apple unboxing, but if one of you guys sent this to me, it's in a big blue bag. Oh my God, wait. What is this? Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. What the frick is going on right now? I don't think this is my iPhone stuff, but whoever sent this to me obviously wanted it to be nice. Enjoy your gift, just wanted to make you smile. And it doesn't even have a name on it. Okay, well, here's the big box. I will get to the iPhone in a second, guys. If you guys only want to see the Apple unboxing, I'll put the timestamp. Oh, this was on my wish list. Who is this from? It's like a makeup holder. Oh my gosh, wait. This was on my Amazon wish list because eventually my parents are going to be buying me a vanity for my apartment for my birthday. Oh my God. Okay, whoever sent this, you are crazy. It's like this big tier of makeup holders because I don't have one right now. It literally doesn't even say who it's from. It just says, enjoy your gift, just wanted to make you smile. Thank you so much for sending this to me, whoever did. You didn't put a name, so I can't like thank you, but I literally have been wanting these for so long. Oh my God, you guys are freaking amazing. And let's talk about how great Amazon packages presents, man. Okay, now let's actually get to what this video is about because I'm sure you techies that are watching this video are getting angry because I'm not actually unboxing the iPhone yet, but you can get over it. Yeah, this is the iPhone 11 purple or lilac, I guess it's what they call it. And I'm going to be unboxing cases and things like that in this video as well. I just haven't gotten the packages yet, so it's going to be like either a different day or like at the end of the day when my packages come. So it is in here. And the way it works is like you order it and then they send you a pre-shipped label that you put back on the box with your old iPhone and you exchange it. Yeah, like I said, they give you a pre-made shipping label. And oh my God, I just got a glance at the box. Oh, stunning. Oh my God, wait. I was able to see it in person when I was in the store, but it was like locked up really good, so it was hard to like take it off the lock and look at the back of it good. But here is what the box looks like. You guys probably already know, but I got the purple. All of the colors were really pretty, but the purple is just the one that I loved the most because you guys know one of my favorite colors is purple, and I've always enjoyed lighter color electronic. Like my XS right now is the gold. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. I wish all my packages came at the same time. Okay, I'm being loud during this ASMR moment. Love that. Okay, the one thing that really made me want this phone is the purple aesthetic of the packaging. So the iPhone is in purple, the Apple isn't like cute. So this is the 64GB one. My XS is a 64GB and I haven't even been close to racking it up with storage or anything. So that's why I just went ahead and got the same size. I'm just gonna go ahead and, wow. Y'all, that is so freaking pretty. I have lipstick on my hands, so I feel like I'm gonna like stain the phone. It's a lot more purple in person than it looks like on camera, and it's a lot bigger. I didn't realize how much bigger it was gonna be than my XS, which here's my XS. So if you guys have it, you know for comparison. And then this is the iPhone 11. But I do have a case on the XS, so let me take it off. Ooh, just freaking cracked my case in half. Wow, I literally just cracked my case. And I was actually gonna like either give these away or sell them because these are like $50 cases, but guess I'm not selling that one now. So this is the XS, obviously the gold one, and then this is the iPhone 11. So that's how much bigger it is from the back and then the front. So not too much bigger, but definitely heavier for sure. Wow, I love. Okay, here, let's look at what's in the box. Obviously, some headphones. And these are not, like, these are just the normal headphones that they give you. And then a charger is in the box, like always. And then just manuals, stickers, which I have like 800 of. So let's have another ASMR moment here. Yes. Wait, I'm obsessed with this phone. Wow, this is really, really nice. So hopefully it's focusing well. Obviously it's going to have a glare, but it has the 2 cameras. This is the 64GB purple iPhone 11, and it's freaking beautiful. I don't even have a case for it yet because I was waiting for the case in the mail. I may go drive over to Five Below and get a $5 case because that's literally what I've done with every single iPhone I bought from the store. I go straight to Five Below and I get a couple cases because they're $5 and they're great quality. And then I also ordered a glass screen protector, which I will be showing in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up my old phone. So I'm going to back this phone up, which I think it already is, transfer all my stuff to the new phone, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterward. Okay, I got it all set up. It was super easy. You literally just, like, if your iPhones are beside each other, your old iPhone will pop up that you want to transfer all your data, and it literally transfers everything to the new phone. It took like 15 minutes to do the whole thing, and then I erased everything on my old iPhone, packaged it up, and then I have to send it back to Verizon. But yeah, here's what it looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Five Below right now to look at their cases and see if they have any just for the next couple days, because I ordered a clear case and then these cute like pop socket ring things, and then it hasn't been delivered. And then I ordered this like witchy looking case which didn't have prime, so I have to wait like another week for it. But look how cute this case is that I ordered. It's clear so you could still see the purple, but it has like witchy stuff on it, and I just thought that was adorable. So I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. But I'm gonna go to Five Below and see what they have. And I also wanna get food because I have nothing at my apartment. So I'm gonna go to Five Below and then I'll be back to show you guys the cases that I got. And when I get my Amazon packages, I'm also going to open all of those and show you guys those as well. I just got back from Five Below. They literally had like 2 cases left, and the ones that they did have were not cute. So I got this one to hold me over. It's kind of like more like a bumper case. They call it an accent case where like it's clear, but the sides are like purplish blue. And I couldn't find like a phone grip that I liked, so I'm just gonna take one of my pop sockets from my old cases and just put it on this one for right now. And I swung past my P.O. box again to see if my Amazon packages were in my P.O. box, but I guess since they got it, they delivered later, that I have to wait till tomorrow. So I don't know. Depending on if I want to go out tomorrow to my P.O. box, I'll probably just post a picture of my cases on my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll post what they look like on my story. This is really nice though for $5, like, not gonna lie. So yeah, like, see, it's clear, but like the sides of it are kind of like this chromish color, which is not my favorite. It looks very like sci-fi-ish looking to me, but it'll work for the next couple days till my cute witchy case comes in. And it makes my phone feel a lot safer. It actually looks a lot cooler with it still on, and I may not put a grip on it because I like when the Apple logo shows, and when I put a phone grip on my phone, it covers the Apple logo. So yeah, that's what it looks like from my Five Below phone case. So I don't know if, like I said, if I'm gonna go to my P.O. box again tomorrow to get my phone case. So I'll post a picture of it on my Instagram so you guys can see my phone cases and my phone grips that I bought on Amazon. And I'm also going to be doing a video in the future of what is on my iPhone 11 like I did with my other phone, but I'm going to partner with this really cool phone case company. So it's gonna be around November when that video comes out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for being understanding about me not uploading this past week. I've just kind of taken a break from uploading and taking care of, you know, trying to take care of this little one right here has been interesting. So I've been super tired and just haven't had the time to film, but I appreciate you guys being so understanding about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Perfect.